Oh, okay, it's fine. Hi guys, how you doing? My name is FX Hybrid. I'm the founder of Project FX. If you're in one of my trial groups, you should know me very well. Yeah, on this video tutorial based on beginners. I realized that in the trial group we have a bunch of beginners, and I would like to help you guys go through this learning curve and become successful forex traders. Okay, all right. First of all, we start with forex. What is forex? What is this thing forex? Well, forex is the foreign exchange market whereby currencies are exchanged. We buy the value of the currency. We predict if it's gonna be valuable or less valuable. If it's less valuable, we sell it. Okay, that's great for a starter. We buy and sell currencies. Actually, we buy and sell currencies. Okay, again, what is a forex platform, right? A forex platform is a platform that you see on the not on the foreground, on the background of this video webcam. It's actually a forex platform that I'm using to trade my currencies as well as other stocks involved. If I can scroll down, you can see that okay, there's a lot of assets here to trade. US 100, the famous Nasdaq, and all sorts of companies like your McDonald's. We trade McDonald's, we don't just buy and eat. And Oracle as well, the Java. If you are a developer, you're a computer geek, you don't just download those JDKs, you also trade the stock of the company. And a lot of companies, your Teslas, a lot of companies, US oil now worth 31.66 cents, is the one you see on the news whenever they update you guys at the end of the news. South African news, SABC news. Yeah. So again, why actually do we trade forex? It's a very important question a beginner can ask. While most of us we trade it to acquire wealth, of which is the first point, and then second point, we trade actually to challenge ourselves in the industry, as well as being competitive at different levels. Remember, if you're a forex trader, there are prices to be on in certain brokers. And when I talk about the broker, I want to discredit this. I'm not promoting any broker, I'm not promoting just forex, I'm just using it as a platform. I'm not promoting it, I'm not getting paid for it. Okay, use your Nasdaq. Okay, yeah, and so forth. So actually, the third reason it would be that I love it as a trader. I love it. You have to love forex, and it should be the only thing that you should be doing, of which I'm not just doing forex, and that makes me a different trader from all of the traders in the world. Most traders, the only goal that they have is to just trade, and then most of them are dropouts and all that. Well, it's cool, we have different sets of goals. So if you want to be a trader, focus on trading. You're gonna be perfect at it, just like I am. I focused on forex trading and I'm the best at it, but that's not the only thing that I do in life. So one other thing, how did these platforms minimize the risk of traveling? Okay, fine. As you know, the 9/11 issue back in 2001 or 2000, I can't remember properly, whereby the plane crashed there, the US building, the financial building that destroyed almost, the one that triggered the market switch. I think they call it the market switch, and then all the prices started falling and all that. Then that's when the economy of USA was striving to get back to its ground. So yeah, that's one of the reasons they implemented this platform so that they can minimize the risk of trading. because now if you buy $1 in South Africa, let's say it's worth 15 rands, and then you go to, you don't okay, you're not buying it, you're just moving to USA physically. So you have $1 which worth 15 right now. You come back next week, and then it now worth, okay, it now worth like $20. So okay, fine, 20 rands. You made a profit of 5 rand. So they implemented the platforms to minimize the risk of traveling, like, paying crash, ship crash, all those type of crashes in the world that exist in the world. So yeah, it's the best platform they introduced for traders to be able to buy and sell currencies. You buy currency, you hold it. Whenever it is valuable, you sell it. I hope we understand each other at that. So is it really worth it? I get a lot of questions like that. Is it really worth it? Is it really worth the risk? Of course it is worth the risk. Well, there's a lot of risk involved, so that's why I want to talk to you guys about that. So you have to be critical about it. Whenever you trade forex, you have to be critical about it, and smart as well, because you cannot just go there with the motive of just making money. You will end up being depressed and being like a victim of blowing accounts and all that. Yeah, so I hope you understand each other, guys. I will see you on the next video, but we'll get into details, exploring the platform and all sorts of things in the forex market. Thank you for watching this video.